If you're thinking about signing up for Nando AI, you're definitely going to want to watch this video. I've been testing out this tool for several weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Nando AI before you sign up for yourself. Quick spoiler, Nando AI is not a perfect copywriting tool. However, after testing out a few different ones, I've chosen to continue using Nando AI for myself instead of using another tool, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video you decide you want to try out Nando AI, you'll save some money if you click the link in the description before you create an account. Definitely take advantage of that link. It saved me a lot of money when I signed up. All right, let's not waste any more time. Here's everything you need to know about Nando AI. First off, Nando AI is an AI tool that was designed to create high converting copy for your online business. Now, let me tell you, it does that job really well. I work in digital marketing, and creating written content is a big part of my job. To save time, we use AI to generate marketing content for our clients on social media. Nando AI has been a huge help for me. It has a nice selection of tools to write great product descriptions, blog posts, social media content, and anything else that you might need. And I've been pretty happy with the results I got. It needed some specific input to really get the content that you needed, but that's pretty standard for AI copywriting tools. And it helped me save a lot of time since the AI automates the copywriting process. And let's face it, time is money in the digital marketing world. Now, I have to be honest, the one thing I wasn't a huge fan of was the pricing for this tool. It was a bit high, and I was kind of hesitant to sign up at first, but I managed to find a discount link that saved me a nice chunk of money when I signed up. And I'll place that link in the description of this video, so you can save money too if you decide to give Nando AI a try. So if you're looking for a handy AI tool to speed up your content creation process, Nando AI is a worthy consideration. It's definitely been a nice addition to my marketing toolkit. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.